We're here at 16872 Bosque Drive here in Encino. We started off by running the camera from a 3-inch clean out. It's like an end of a line clean out. We're in about 134 feet. Brings us up to the property line where there's a very huge root in the line. We've located this 4.5 feet deep. There is another clean out in the front that we'll go through to try to get through the root so we could check the rest of the line going into the street. We're going to pull the camera back over here. So we have a 4-inch clay pipe running underneath the driveway. There's some more roots over here. This pipe's definitely going to need to be hydrojetted. Comes back to some ABS plastic over here where there's actually a clean out in the front of the house that we located. This is all ABS plastic in good condition. Take a little turn over here. Cast iron pipe. Has a little bit of rust build-up in it. Very minor rust build-up. We're definitely going to recommend that you don't flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, etc. Definitely don't want to be doing that. The majority of the pipe is a cast iron pipe, as you can see. Doesn't look too bad though. Okay, it's going to come out of the clean out here. We'll continue the inspection from the clean out in the front of the house. We'll go ahead and pause the recording over here. Alright, running the camera from the clean out in the front of the house. We found a lot of roots. And we're all the way out to the city connection. So there's the city connection. 6-inch clay lateral, looks in pretty good shape, very minor little roots in it. This is running the camera from the clean out in the front now. Okay, so now it's going to turn. This is where we had some roots going to come in real soon. Right over here is that big root. This line's definitely going to need to be hydrojetted, and it's going to need to be periodically cleaned. Yeah, it definitely needs a good cleaning, the line. This is the rest of the pipe that we checked running underneath the driveway over here. Still in pretty okay condition. And then we've got ABS plastic. That's in good condition. Okay, here it comes up out of the clean out, here in the front of the house, and we'll go ahead and stop the recording over here.